Hi guys, so I was recently delivered a couple things. I'm going to review the Anna Griffin item here, but if I have any links in the description box, they will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you were to purchase items through those links. Oh, having said that, I want to make sure that you guys know the gel pens from Diamond Press are in stock on HSN now. I'll have the links in the description box. And then they have two other items up now that I wasn't sent, and originally I thought I had them, but it's because they sent me the list of what they were gonna have, and I saw that on the list and I'm like, oh sweet, but then when I look in the box I didn't have them. So my contact said, oh, we ran out, I'm so sorry. There are these little rhinestone embellishments. They're so cute. If you guys saw the sneak peek with Beth, she had a few things that I don't have. I do have a couple more things to review, which will be the cold foil stuff that they sell, and you know how they always do with like the double-sided sticky tape, but these are going to be larger rolls and larger pieces of that tape. And then what's the other one? Oh, I don't know why I'm forgetting this. I've been waiting for this one. It's the Hidden Messages die set, which makes like a little shutter card kind of thing. I don't know if you saw it. And then it has an auto ship available with it, which I don't have the auto ships obviously yet. And like I said, sometimes when there's something that has an auto ship like associated with it, I'd like to order it myself anyway, because I don't want to keep bothering them like, oh, are you sure you're gonna send me that? Because I've never asked for things. Like, I don't ask for things, so like I just want to make sure I'll get it, because the ones that are coming after that are so cute. So I'll probably end up ordering a hidden message set for myself, even though I already have it. Okay, so I did the same thing with the marquee. I was like, I want to make sure I get those auto ships. So so I signed up for the marquee. You know, I bought a marquee. I have a gold one. I just haven't brought it out yet because there's no need to. I have my coral one and she does great. So so keep an eye out for those later today. Again, oh, the reason I haven't uploaded the hidden messages one is because it's, again, it'll be an auto ship, so you guys can sign up whenever that hits HSN. I'm assuming probably late today, especially on my West Coast time. Whenever it's midnight East Coast, it's 9 o'clock here, so probably close to that time they'll release it. But again, I'll have more videos throughout the day. So this is an auto ship that I just got from HSN, and I was like, what is it? Edgeable? Like, I don't remember what it was supposed to be, but I just let it come. And like I said, I always try to set up my auto ships to either skip or be released like as soon as I order the item. That way I kind of know what I'm expecting. So I had let this one come, and it's the falling leaves and sweet strawberries, and these are both very cute. I love it. So keep an eye out for those. I'll review them very soon coming up here. And I have some other auto ships I have to get to too. I know, you guys, I will do it, don't worry. Just that whenever craft day comes up, there's always things to do with that. I have tonic videos I was making, so like I'm just kind of behind on my own, kind of like just things I ordered, you know, to play with. So this is the Anna Griffin Christmas ornament dies, and I was like, why is it so big? I didn't realize the box was going to be so big, or like why, but maybe it's just, that's the packaging they had. I don't know. Let's see. It really should only be one, it's one sheet. And so her dies are already pretty much on HSN right now. Whatever sets she might be bringing. Well, I don't think all of them, because you know she does her sneak peeks. But right now they do have quite a few. And I don't know if it's, you have to be an HSN credit card holder or something like that. There is a coupon today. I'll have the information, not the information, but the code for the coupon. Again, if they offer me a coupon, that doesn't mean they offered it to you, so it might not work. And that's just what HSN does. So it'll be there, but if it works, great. If it doesn't, it's because they didn't specifically offer it to you, okay? So again, I'll have it there, but I don't know how they work it. Okay, so yeah, this is, for whatever reason, in here with a ton of foam. Oh, you know what? If you guys don't want to waste this, you can use it for stamping if you want to put your paper and stamp on this. I have lots of this stuff, or even foam felting. Like if you do like a foam felting, you push it in here to help you with your foam. And it's a good way to reuse this stuff. So just a quick little side note there. Thanks for hanging in there if you're only here to look at the review of this. I'll have there where you can skip to if you only want to watch this and not hear the updates. Okay, Christmas ornament dies. And I was, actually, I bought them, I thought, how am I going to use these? Like, if you have double-sided paper, that's great, but if you don't, which most people do, one side's going to be white, right? So these are all, so much packaging and they're still kind of like wonky. They're doing them in all white, as you can see, which is very pretty. These are super simple. Like, honestly, a tutorial is probably not necessary, but look how cute. And that's it. You just take the two pieces and you tuck one inside the other. They're notched out the right way so that it happens easily. So what I'm going to do is cut a set out in white and cut a set out in foam. I think that'll be fun just to have a little different dimension. And see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, so I know like Spellbinders, when you get their club kits, oh, if you guys haven't checked those out this month, they're so cute. So I have a link for that, but I did do a video, and so mine should be on the way. They always include like double-sided silver here with double-sided gold. It's kind of hard to find a company that makes a double-sided metallic paper. Most of the time it has a white back. But when I said I'm going to cut it out in white, and I remember I have that really pretty kind of pearlescent cream paper, I thought, oh, that might look a little more regal. So let's do that for this little gal. And I'm going to show you right now that you don't have to only use marquee or diamond press dies for the marquee or vice versa, because people ask me that all the time. And you can use any thin metal die, will go in any machine that cuts thin metal dies, so it doesn't have to be the same brand, the machine or otherwise. And let me see, I think it'll cut out of this. I tell you guys sometimes when I have a well-loved folder, the thing is the whole die is going to cut, so I don't mind if it pinches a little bit, so I can use this. And then people ask me, how do I keep my folders looking great? Like even this one that's been used, I don't know. I just ran it through. You saw that. That's it. Like I don't put weights on that. I know people will leave comments about what they do, or they've kind of heated up with hot water, boiling water, and then leave it flat. And that's another thing I suppose you could do. I don't know. I just use them. So there's that one. So pretty and cut out so nice. Okay, and I'll cut out the other one right quick. I think this is going to be too wide to go through still, so let me just cut it down. So only one folder finally. I was like, okay, I need to ditch it, because it had a really, really big bow through the center, like almost like a ball, you know, saying like a cup almost. And so it would still cut, but I was just like, maybe it's not the best idea to just keep running through my machine when it's all wonky. And then if you want to flip it, you can flip it. I said I hardly ever do that. I mean, you can kind of see that I did it some on this side, but it's really mostly cut on the other side. So I'll flip it for now, but I don't know. And then look, see how it's bowed? Instead of going this way where it's up, this time I'll go down like this way. So maybe those are some of the tips. I don't know. I don't really. And then I push it with my body. Maybe you saw my body there. To get it going, because you want to get it going. Yeah, that kind of bent it a little bit the other direction, so, you know, whatever you want. Like when I come back this way. There it is. Again, and I mean, I have other ones, obviously Diamond Press sends them, and then I have other ones that I've purchased myself, and, you know, they always come with the kits, so I don't know. Alright, I have both of the pretty sides facing me. And so I'm going to put those in there. And that is scary. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Hold on, let me just make sure that there wasn't a special way to do that. Maybe I do the head first. Slide panel 2, the center panel 1 at an angle. She's doing the head first, so I'll do that too, but I don't know if it really makes a difference. Just that that's so delicate, you know. So let's go this way. So let's go this way. Yeah, that's better. So whatever you're doing on these guys, always go with the one that kind of will go in easier first, and then we're going to have to bend this. Oh, here we go. This is really scary. Oh, and it's all lacy too, so be careful. And we're trying to be super careful with this. I'm trying to open up that middle a little better. There we go, there we go, there we go. This will be a little less dramatic with the foam, I think, because you foam, you know, you can bend it real easy. There we go. Okay, right now it's flat. And then you just open it up. Is it pretty? Yes, it's very pretty. I mean, I guess it's the eye of the beholder, but that is very pretty. Let me, oh, there we go. She won't stand up. She has a bowed bottom, but look at that. Super pretty, super easy, and then she just put a little string on the top to hang it. I suppose if you wanted to just put this on a card, you would just glue down the bottom and let this do its own thing. You know what I'm saying? What I would do in that, I would train it to be squished. So definitely really pretty for a card. Okay, let's try out let's try out some of the ornaments. There's like a snowflake, which I really like. There's like a little burst, and then the little ornament, which is cute. So I was planning on trying out the snowflakes, so let's do that. And this is just plain old craft foam. What did I say? From like Walmart, the kids section. So it's a little bit thicker than like the kind you find at the Dollar Tree. If you're lucky enough to find at the Dollar Tree, I haven't seen foam there in a while. They usually have foam pieces. I used to give it to my daughter just to play with, you know, with her little crafts, because she colors on it and does weird stuff. But it does creative stuff. And I can't find it anymore there. At least not my local one. And milk duds. For some reason, the last month or so, whenever I stop in there, milk duds are gone. And I'm like, I want milk duds. It's like my favorite. Anyway, let's get that going. So usually I just pull it and let this handle go like that, but sometimes when there's something thick in there already, it doesn't work that way. So, okay, so we have the one. I'll pop out the little pieces in just a minute. This makes, I think, a nice stamp even. I might leave that middle section though in there. Okay, I'm gonna clean that up later. And then we'll do this one. And trying to save as much of my foam as I can. I don't know what I'll use it for later, but something else. You got double-sided glitter paper. Have you ever seen double-sided glitter paper? Is that a thing? I don't think that's a thing. I suppose the other thing you could do is, no, I was gonna say maybe cut one on two sides and sandwich those together so there's glitter on both sides, or metallic look on both sides, and then do the sandwiching, you know what I'm saying? In fact, making your own double-sided paper. I don't know. Let me poke out all these little things, and I will be right back. Okay. Did I say I was going to clean it up? Anyway, I was just going to push those things to the side. You know, it's funny. I didn't expect a lot because it's only 2 little dies, you know, for each thing, but it has, I guess, the detail. So since they have so much detail, it really makes it pop. Okay, so I'm just going to shove one of these sides through again. The larger notch with the little notches here. As you see with foam, it's a lot easier to just manipulate it in there. I just want to be really careful with my paper. Boop, boop. Suck it up this way and then this way. Oh, come on back. There we go. Okay, this one's gonna have to make sure it's laying flat because it is thicker, obviously, so it's gonna be funny. Look at that. And then pop these up on the side. Cute. That's pretty cool. And I know they do sell glitter foam, or you know, obviously different colors. Things would be cute in like light blues and white or whatever it is that you want. But I'm just trying to straighten it out. After all, it is foam. Look at that. The kids can play with that. They can help you make them or make them themselves. Obviously really easy. Run through the marquee or whatever machine you have that might be easier to operate like that. Cute. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It was pretty simple, pretty quick. Again, you have it like this, but honestly I'll probably use this for a card. That way I can stick down that back and have the front kind of pop up a little bit and, you know, just have a nice card. Alright guys, I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.